It's the All-Star edition of the NBA.com Top 10 list at number 10. It's CP3 over to Brandon Roy for the little Husky Jam, two-handed style in the paint. Take another look. Paul goes behind his back, then eyes in the back of his head, finds Roy for the two-handed jam. At number 9, he's the 2008 Slam Dunk champion. He had a nice dunk in 2009. Dwight Howard, huge up and over Yao Ming. Dwight Howard, always a showman at the All-Star game. Number 8, we're talking about the hometown guy, Amar'e Stoudemire, going baseline, throwing this one down as well. Huge jump here from Amar'e Stoudemire after a quick first step. Amar'e lands at number 8, and we will see him again in the top 10 list. At number 7, it's back to the combination of CP3 and Brandon Roy, this time off the backboard and cramming this one down with a little windmill style at number 7. Number 6, back to Amar'e, a little tennis here, a little ping pong back and forth. Windmill dunk from Amar'e, get him in the dunk contest. Nice one-handed throw down there from Stoudemire. We're in the top 5 now. Allen Iverson, spin move on Chris Paul, fakes the pass, then up and over the big man, Yao Ming. Nice fake there and a fresh new look for Allen Iverson. He lands at number 5. Number 4, we got to talk about some Olympians. Dwayne Wade this time going baseline. Not a lot of defense on that play, but Dwayne Wade goes up and over anybody he wants to. Dwayne Wade with the power jam and a little hang time there at number 4. Number 3, LeBron James. Clear out for Flight 23. LeBron James, maybe you'll see him in the All-Star Dunk Contest in 2010 in Dallas. And LeBron giving us all a little preview of what he has in store. Left-handed pass, but two-handed throwdown. And check it out, his head above the rim on that dunk. At number 2, Chris Paul assisting again. He had 14 assists on the night. Nice steal, then sweet dish to Kobe Bryant. Flight 24 this time, taking off and throwing it down with two hands off the delicious assist from Chris Paul. One more time, take a look. No look from number 3 over to number 24 for the throwdown. At number 1, though, what else could it be? Shaquille O'Neal, the big Jabberwocky, in the house in Phoenix, entertaining the fans. Dwight Howard out-guarding him on the perimeter. Shaquille O'Neal, a little give and go. Last night, Nate Robinson went up and over Dwight Howard. This time, Shaq going between his legs. Little nutmeg there, and Shaq going baseline, gets the pass from who else? Chris Paul, and gets the throwdown. Shaquille O'Neal moving quickly on those nimble feet of his. Shaquille O'Neal, number 1 on the NBA.com Top 10 list.